this guy. Look at this guy. You got this little jalapeno deliciousness, right? And you want to use it in your cocktails. And you're like, I want to add pepper to my drinks. You know, a Moscow Mule is a really easy way to make this drink like sing. Putting a little bit of jalapeno in it is like super awesome. But I'm going to show you how I use jalapeno. So what I like to do is I slice up my jalapeno. And this is really for any of my hot drinks I'm going to use. Yes, you keep the seeds. Keep the seeds. You'll remove those when you double strain using a hot cocktail. So we're going to take that and we're going to put it in a bowl, right? No trick there, just putting it in a bowl. We're going to take some seasoned salt, whatever seasoned salt you like. Say about, for everyone, about maybe 2 teaspoons. And then we're going to take lime. I know, crazy, right? Jalapeno, salt, and lime. Sounds like every recipe that we have ever had in Mexican food. Take it, you're going to put it in there, right? You're going to take about a half amount. So you see what this looks like. You're going to put this in there. And this becomes your cocktail jalapenos. Use this very sparingly because when you add lime, salt to jalapenos, you're extracting all of the heat. But what you're also creating is a wonderful like third dimension to your cocktails. So when you have that like Moscow Mule or Mexican Mule or however you're going to mix into like your ginger and you like it spicy, this gives it the heat and the complexity that takes your ordinary cocktail to an extraordinary cocktail. So remember, use your peppers, but don't eat the tops. See you next time.